This video is on installing AutoMeter InVision Universal Mount Digital Dash in an OBS 88 to 94, I believe this works for. And this is what it looks like installed in the factory dash bezel, and still retaining. There was enough room with the InVision to keep the shift position indicator. It fit in the dash, in the bezel of the OBS like it was made for it. This is the original bezel right here. Came off the gauge cluster of the original gauges, and it fit. I pulled it out of pulled it out of this bezel that it came with, or pod, or whatever you want to call it. This pod from here to here is actually about an 1/8 inch to 3/16 too big to slide into the hole in the dash. So what I did is I took the InVision Dash out of the pod, mounted it in here, used a piece of 1/4 inch and a piece of 1/8 inch ABS, and cut it all out to fit. And then I had to raise it up just a little bit, so another 1/4. So it's actually a 1/2 and an 1/8, so 9/16 thick that you need to come up with. And here's the original shift position. Hooks to the column, tells you what gear you're in. As far as the build of the AutoMeter InVision Dash, I don't know if it gets any better, but they potted everything, so you don't got to worry about the caps and stuff getting loose on the motherboard. Wires hook in here. It fits right in to the slot. Probably wouldn't have to cut the truck at all if you do it this way. And this is the, well, it's hard to see there, but this is the original plexiglass or polycarbonate, I guess you'd call it. And then that's the InVision Dash back there. I haven't lit it up yet, so we'll see what it looks like lit up. And yeah, it fit right in like it's made for it. I think it's the dash itself, without the case, is just a smidge under 1 foot right there. And then it's 4.5 inches wide. So it should work pretty good. I'm going to get it installed in the truck. Maybe I'll shoot a video after it's installed. But it can be done. Why AutoMeter hasn't come out with the kit for this? I mean, I'm working with band saws and flap discs and, you know, bench sanders and stuff like that. So it took me 4 hours to make all this stuff up, figure it out and make it all up. Or I don't know, one of their engineers could probably put this thing together in 10 minutes. Thanks for watching.